Hi, I'm Kelly Nascimento with Kelly's Reading Corner, and if you clicked on this video, I guess you know it's all about feelings. So if you are excited to see this video and find the books that can help your child begin to identify, explore, and express their feelings, then give this video a like and make sure you subscribe before you leave, and you'll find a new flip through video of one of our books posted every single day, and then a more in-depth video like this one about once a week. Usborne Books More has a lot of books about different feelings. They can help your child identify their feelings. It can help them understand them and learn ways to cope with them and to express them, to share them, ways that their actions can affect the feelings of others. There are a lot, but today I'm just going to show you 3 basic books that just basically introduce feelings. They talk about all sorts of feelings within the book. The first one I have to show you is called What If I Know My Feelings? And this is by Michelle Nelson Schmidt, and she has written a lot of what if monster books. We have Jonathan James and the What If Monster. Okay, she wrote that book, and we have a little monster plush. It's so cute and so soft. Check it out. And we have 4 in this What If board book series. So this one about feelings has a really special section here on the inside front cover, and all of the What If board books have this. It's great for little ones, for color identification, finding the letters, the words, so that can be a really fun extra in these books. And then what this book does is it explores different feelings in a very simple way. One feeling on a page, and it just says different things you can do if you feel that way. So it's going to help with feelings identification and expression. So we have brave, scared. One of my favorites is What If I Feel Shy? I can watch until I'm ready to join. I like that one because it just seems so accepting of however a child feels and makes a simple accommodation for them. What if I feel silly? What if I feel serious? And then at the end, you can play around with feeling identification on the faces of all the monsters. Again, we have a lot of different colors. You can practice color identification here. So this is a great one for about ages 2 to 4 years, keeping things nice and simple. And it doesn't have very many words on each page, which is super important for little ones because they're probably not going to attend to a book with a lot of text on it. The next book I have to show you is our Lift the Flap First Questions and Answers, What Are Feelings? So if you are subscribed to my channel and you have the notification bell turned on, you probably know that there is a video showing our Questions and Answers Lift the Flap book. So that will be linked below if you missed it, and you can check it out and learn all about these flap books. Let's talk about the feelings one. So this is great for about ages 3 and older. There's tons of flaps on each page. This one has 4, 3, so we're learning generally what feelings are, and then we're learning what makes us happy. So each spread is going to talk about a different emotion. What makes us sad? What makes us angry? Why do we worry? What makes us scared? And then the last spread talks about how we can deal with our feelings. So that's going to give you some action items to help your kiddos when they're feeling a certain way. All right, so this one, for example, says, how can I cheer up? A lot of times kids, they're not going to know what to do with their feelings. This one says, think of something else and try to smile. Even the action of smiling can make you feel happier. So just something very simple and actionable that they can do right in the moment if they need to. So again, great for ages 3 and up. You'll see in that flap book video that flap books are great for keeping a child engaged. They're interactive because they're lifting the flaps, and the question and answer format makes it really simple and easy to understand the concept of feelings. The last book I have to show you today is all about feelings. This is an incredible series. We also have All About Friends and All About Families, and this one is great for about ages 3 and up as well, but it's a totally different format and talks about feelings in a different way. There's really more information in this one if you can check out the contents here. What's great about this one is it's, again, really simple for kids to understand. I've heard incredible things about it. I've also read some of the reviews on our website. If you didn't know, on our website, if you click any of the shopping links in my description, you'll head to our website and you can click on a book, and then there's a tab that says reviews, so you can see what other people are saying about it. And I've seen about this book specifically that several people have said they work with autistic children and it's really helped them get a greater understanding of feelings. Sometimes they would maybe mislabel what they're feeling or not understand how to express it or deal with it, and so it was helpful for them. So I wanted to mention that in case that information is helpful to you. This page talks about body messages and clues. So if you're feeling a certain way, like physically, that might connect to an emotion that you're feeling. These pages are fantastic because they relate a feeling to a color that can help the idea of feelings be more concrete for children. So we have sad related to blue and calm with green, and then why they might feel a certain way, what can cause our feelings. This book is really interactive. Here you can see basically an activity where they're choosing words from the cloud to say how they think they would feel if the scenario happened to them. Take a look at this spread. This shows how feelings can change throughout the day based on what happens to you. I think this is a very accepting way of talking about feelings, that you don't always have to feel a certain way. It can change whenever, anytime. Then it talks about how you can feel more than one feeling at a time. I think that's an important concept to introduce to kids. This part is great because it talks about writing a feelings diary. So I think that could be a great practice for a child to do with their grown-up, or maybe even with their counselor if they're working with one. And at the end of all of the books in this series, it has notes for grown-ups, things that you can try at home to help your children learn more about feelings and how to explore and express their feelings. And then there's Usborne quick links, so you can get more tips on how to encourage children to explore and talk about their feelings, and more activities and video clips to share with them. So I love that these books not only are incredible resources within themselves, but utilizing those quick links is going to give you even more resources with this book. So as I said, Usborne Books More has a lot of books that address different feelings. These were just a few that go over a multitude of feelings within that book. So if there's something more specific that you're looking for, please leave me a comment down below, or you can find in the description box below a link to get custom recommendations from me so I can help you pick out just the perfect books for your readers. I'll see you next time.